Hello and welcome to Ambay etching process. Today, let's explore a powerful and modern technology that is transforming how helmet molds are made. We are talking about 5-axis laser texturing. This advanced process helps us create beautiful surface textures on helmet molds. Like the highly popular carbon fiber finish that gives helmets a premium, stylish look. In the past, if a company wanted to add high-quality textures like carbon fiber on helmet molds, they had to send their work to China or Korea. It took extra time, more money, and sometimes the results were not easy to control. But now, things have changed. You don't need to go abroad anymore, because this same world-class technology is now available right here in India. Only at Ambay etching process. At Ambay, we are proud to bring 5-axis laser texturing to Indian manufacturers, with the same or even better results compared to foreign suppliers. So what exactly is 5-axis laser texturing? Let's break it down. In simple words, a 5-axis machine can move in 5 directions. This gives it the ability to reach every part of the mold, including complex curves and deep areas, with full accuracy and zero distortion. This is much better than traditional 3-axis or manual engraving, which can only work on flat or simple shapes. With 5-axis laser texturing, the finish is clean, consistent, and reliable. You get a sharp, detailed pattern that matches your design exactly, every time. One of the most requested finishes we offer is the carbon fiber texture. It looks modern, strong, and high-end, perfect for helmets. This texture adds real value to your product and makes it stand out in the market. Whether your helmets are for daily use, racing, or export, a textured surface gives a premium feel and better aesthetic appeal. At Ambay etching process, we not only use advanced machines, we also have a skilled team that ensures top quality, fast delivery, and custom support. No more overseas delays, no more waiting for weeks. Our clients choose us because we care about their product. We work with automotive, safety gear, and plastic mold companies across India. So to all manufacturers, you no longer need to go to China or Korea for laser texturing. You can get the same high-quality result right here in India. So, are you ready to upgrade your helmet molds with 5-axis laser texturing? Contact Ambay etching process today. Let's build something strong, beautiful, and made in India.